This is Scion XB 2005. In today's video I will be replacing valve cover gasket because it's leaking. As you can see, it's leaking, especially on the back side. The front side is okay. I'm gonna use 10mm socket. Now we gotta remove the ignition coils. Now we need to disconnect this wire right here. So I disconnected this one. You can just pull this like a trigger right here and it will come off. Same to the bottom one, pull the trigger and pull it, it comes off. Now I need to disconnect these wires right here. That's injectors. Also disconnect this wire. Then you need to remove the hoses, the one that goes from here to here, and no, actually this one goes here, and this one right here. As you can see, mine is cracked. I need to replace this one because this could cause a vacuum leak. So you just press this and pull it and then remove the hose. So I removed this right here, this part. Also released this one right here. I just removed the bulb. Then you gotta remove all these bolts and nuts all around and be very careful. Use this kind of ratchet or something. And if you cannot remove, like the back ones, this one was like very hard to remove. It's like seized or something. So I used this stuff and let it sit for a while, and I was able to remove it. Then you can use an impact gun or something, or a drill to make it faster. Okay, so I removed it. The best part to remove it is right here. You can put like a screwdriver or something, or a wrench. I use this kind of wrench. I went underneath and I could pop it up. Same here, you can use a screwdriver or something to lift it up. because you don't want to damage any of this. Okay, and as you can see, I don't think this gasket sits right. I think someone already installed it before, because it shouldn't be like this. As you can see, there's like some spot right here and right there. This gasket goes like this, so it should seal. I think it should seal these as well. Okay, let's remove it. It even breaks, look. It's super dry. Uh-oh. Check this out. Just be careful when removing it. Oops. Another one. Grab that. Oopsies. Okay, so I'm using gasoline to clean. Just clean everything where the seals will go. You can also clean all the engine stuff, because it will be better for your vehicle. Because there will be oil and it will be lubricated. You can use plastic to scrape all the excess, but don't use metal because you will scratch it, okay, and it will leak. So use some gasoline, rag, and a plastic scraper. You don't want anything falling inside the engine, so just be careful. Okay, so it looks good. Pretty clean, especially the sides. So here, like on sides, where the stick is, okay, you can apply gasket maker just a little bit, like right here and right there, so it wouldn't be leaking because there's like a split. So I cleaned this with gasoline as well. Okay, so now we can install the gasket. Okay, so the middle bolts that we have, we will install new seals right here, washers, okay, because the old ones can be leaking. So you can just hold it like this. And use an impact gun. The new seals are easy to put on. Okay, they are hard. Okay. Now use high temperature. It's called silicone or gasket maker. So just apply a little bit right here. Okay. And on the other side. Okay. Now we can install the cover. Just be careful so it doesn't come off. Okay, line up the bolts. Now we can go ahead and install all the bolts. It's recommended to use cross pattern or star pattern. So I'm gonna start with the middle. The torque specs for this valve cover is 7.2 Nm or 64-inch lbs. So you can use this kind of, I did like 65, or just hand tight it just a little bit. Apply same pressure everywhere. Okay, that's 65 right here. Okay, that's 65 right here. Okay, now you can put everything back together. And that's it. So if this video was helpful, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel.